BJP Bengal has called for an urgent press meet at 1 p.m. today. It will be addressed by their state president. Remember, this comes after the brutal attack on their MP and MLA. The BJP has been upping the ante against the Mamata Banerjee government. Now we're expecting a press conference to be addressed at 1 in the afternoon today. The president of the state unit of BJP will address the media. We will, of course, hear more from there. But remember, this entire episode has also gotten in a reaction from the Prime Minister himself, where he has condemned this attack and also attacked the Mamata Banerjee government. Let me quickly go across to Ridhita, my colleague, getting us more details on this. Ridhita, get us more from this press conference that is scheduled at 1 p.m. today. What can we expect?
Absolutely, as you see that yesterday already BJP Bengal has hit out in the streets of Kolkata at College Street, where the North Kolkata's district president has already said that this protest is now going to spread in more and more districts and every ward of BJP in West Bengal because of the incident, the gruesome incident and attack that has taken place on both the MP and the MLA out yesterday in North Bengal, and today they are admitted in Madarihat after the MP was led to profuse bleeding, and Shankar Ghosh, the MLA, was also attacked. He has also got an bandage over his left shoulder. To understand at this point that Khoghen Murmu's condition is not that well. He has occurred an injury over his left cheekbone where he could have also lost his vision. So he might be also referred to AIIMS today. Shubhendu Adhikari has also reached North Bengal, where we will see Kiran Rijiju, the Union Minister, also introspecting the area and the flood-hit areas and the affected families. So today, from the press briefing that will be headed by Shamik Bhattacharya, who is the BJP state president of West Bengal, will address this issue. Remember, yesterday we had seen Shamik Bhattacharya was also in the state in exactly the area where these two leaders of BJP was attacked. He had just passed by that area, after which the attack on these two leaders happened, after which we had also seen for first aid when they were taking to Chalsa. Shamik Bhattacharya was also present, also at the private hospital in Madarihat, where they are admitted at this point. Shamik Bhattacharya late night also visited them before he made his quick move towards Kolkata.
Ridhita, so we can expect Shamik Bhattacharya to address this presser. We will come back to you. Stay with us on this. Shamika, let me also tell our viewers how the BJP is planning to up the ante against the Mamata Banerjee government over this attack on the BJP legislators in Jalpaiguri. A day after holding protest in Kolkata, the Bharatiya Janata Party is now planning to hold demonstrations in the national capital as well. Remember, BJP MP Khoghen Murmu was assaulted while he was out to inspect flooded areas in Jalpaiguri. He suffered severe head injuries and was left bleeding profusely. Meanwhile, BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh, who was accompanying Murmu, also sustained injuries. Stones were pelted on their vehicle. The driver of the vehicle has recalled what had happened.
लोग तो उधर गया था सब मिलके, तो उधर तो पहले इतना आदमी वो पहले से वो लोग गुस्सा है, पहले से गुस्सा है। हम लोग जाते ही वो भगाने का कोशिश कर रहा है। पहले तो हम लोग गाड़ी बहुत रास्ता तक लेके आया, इसके बाद वो लोग देख दुख के फिर आने वाला है, तो ये लोग तो आते समय इसको पत्थर मार दिया। तो ऐसा देख के उस माथा फट गया। ऐसा देख के तो हम तो गाड़ी तो पार्टी गई है, तो फिर एक गाड़ी में उठा, बस गाड़ी तोड़फोड़ कर दिया।
Meanwhile, West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has expressed deep concern over this attack and called for immediate steps to uphold law and order. He said such incidents were unacceptable, especially at a time when vulnerable communities are reeling under the impact of natural calamity. The governor also urged authorities to ensure that the humanitarian work being carried out in flood-affected areas is not disrupted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has condemned this attack on the BJP legislators as well, describing it as outright appalling. He accused the TMC of indulging in violence instead of helping those who have been affected by the floods. In fact, the Prime Minister said that this highlights the insensitivity of the Trinamool Congress and slammed the law and order situation in West Bengal as absolutely pathetic, while alleging that there was an attempt to kill BJP MP Khagen Murmu. BJP has said that there was jungle raj in Bengal under Mamata Banerjee's rule. The BJP has also questioned the silence of the opposition leaders on this brutal attack.
जान से मारने की कोशिश तृणमूल कांग्रेस कर सकती है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साधारण कार्यकर्ता और बंगाल की साधारण जनता के साथ ही तृणमूल कांग्रेस क्या कर रही होगी। ये सब इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी दहशत में है। ममता बनर्जी को लग रहा है कि कल मैं जो नाच रही थी कार्निवल में कुछ सिने आर्टिस्ट के साथ, कुछ सेलिब्रिटी के साथ, उत्तर बंगाल में, नॉर्थ बंगाल में फ्लड की स्थिति है, वहां भूस्खलन हुआ है, लैंडस्लाइड्स हुई हैं, कई लोग मारे गए हैं। Many people have died in North Bengal because of the flood and because of the landslides. Despite that, Mamata Banerjee was dancing to the tunes of some Bollywood music, I believe.
Meanwhile, the TMC has pinned the blame on BJP workers for this attack. Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress has claimed that it was the anger of the BJP supporters which was on display in Jalpaiguri. He claimed that people got angry as the BJP leaders were nowhere to be seen after election results and only showed up during floods for photo op. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also appeared to put the injured BJP legislators in the dock, asking, what do you expect if you visit a flood-hit village in a convoy of 30 to 40 cars?
हम नहीं चाहते हैं उसका लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बिगड़े। हम कभी नहीं चाहते हैं कोई इंसिडेंट हो। और ये भी ठीक है, अगर कोई फ्लड का एरिया में 30-40 गाड़ी लेके चला जाए तो एक जनता को दुख होता है। जिसको रोटी कपड़ा मकान छीन गया उसको पास आज रोटी कपड़ा मकान का जरूरत है। इसीलिए मैं पॉलिटिक्स करने के लिए आमोदा में नहीं जाने चाहते हैं कि वो एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है। हम तो इंसिडेंट नहीं चाहते हैं। इसीलिए मैं डीजी पुलिस को भेजा था, उसको वोट करके जाना पड़े, उन्होंने किया और बातचीत करके सबको सब मीट करके आया है। आइए उसका बॉर्डर है, इसीलिए और कोई इंसिडेंट हो हम नहीं चाहते हैं। आप लोग शांत रहे, शांत থাকুন, সংযত থাকুন, এটা আমার আবেদন থাকবে। দুর্যোগ শুনো।
Well, a brutal attack on BJP legislators has left the leaders seriously injured. X-ray reports now confirm the severity of the assault. BJP leader Khagen suffered facial injuries, including a fracture to his left maxilla and damage to the bone forming his eye socket. Doctors warn that this injury is dangerously close to his left eye and that there is a risk that he may lose his vision.